If we all gave as much as we possibly could, we would all receive a lot more. Does that make sense? In other words, it's a nicer way of saying the world doesn't owe you anything. You should be giving to the world a lot more. But stay with me here. It's an unpopular opinion nowadays, but it might make sense if you watch right after the intro, which starts right now. Hey everybody, my name is Steven. I do these videos to help you become a better version of you and help me become a better version of me. I'm also starting to write a book. I'm going to do a series of books, so if you enjoy it, why don't you do me a favor? The world doesn't really owe me anything, but if I earn your subscription, you can click on the subscribe button and then hit the little bell. It lets others know that I'm worth watching on YouTube and lets me know that there are people listening and that I'm at least making an impact somewhat, somewhere, somehow. Okay, so the world doesn't owe you anything but what? I mean, that sounds like it's crazy, right? Nowadays, everybody wants everything, and I want everything. Don't you want everything? Thumbs up if you want everything out of life, and you deserve everything. You really do. But a wise person that I listened to named Zig Ziglar, who's passed a long time ago, he was a personal development person and sales trainer. He said, if you can help people get people get anything what they want out of life, you will have anything you want out of life. And it's very true. Think about it this way. Like I said in the intro, if you simply gave as much as you possibly could, but everybody gave as much as they could, the giving would also be reciprocal, because you can't have a back without a front. You can't have day without night. It's the way our brains work. We have two hemispheres. It's a dichotomy. By giving as much, and if everybody gave as much, everybody would have to be receiving a whole lot more. And I'm talking about giving gratitude, giving thanks, giving actions of kindness, and giving yourself as much as you can to help others out. And then they would be giving themselves as much as they could to help others out, and everybody would be giving and receiving at the same time. But it seems like that's not the way the world works. Just turn on anything, CNN, ABC, whatever. It doesn't matter what news source. Go look at the news. Everybody's out to get everybody. The snake is eating its tail, folks, and I don't know what to tell you. So I want you to practice your gratitude. I want you to think about that for a minute. If everybody just gave as much as they possibly could, they would also receive a lot more, because you cannot have a person giving without a person taking in the kindness and the actions. Do something nice for people. Do some actions that are kind. I think you'll feel really good about yourself if you do it. And I'm not talking about just spending money on people. Just be nice. Tell somebody that you love, who might not understand how much gratitude you have for them, why you're grateful for them. And if they seem perplexed and puzzled, just say, that's all I wanted to say. You don't even have to give a further explanation as to why you're saying it. But they'll think a bit, and maybe they'll do something and tell somebody else why they're grateful, and the circle of life and everything spins on and on. So that's what I want to make a video about today. If you like the videos, click on the subscribe button and then click the bell. Let me know you subscribed, and stay tuned, because I'm writing a book, probably many books on this stuff. And I talk to you later in another video. Thanks again, and I'm very grateful you're watching. Bye-bye.